This is the current condition of my rear struts. And these are the new Fabtech 7265 struts, just as they come out the box. The lower mounts look like they take an 18 for the bolt and the nut. The top mount bolts take a 16. My kit is going to use the P01740. The bottom pushes right in, no problems. I need to give the top a little more effort, a little persuasion. I then installed them in reverse order. I mounted the top, then pulled the strut until the bottom mounts holes lined up. Other side to go. This is much better than before. And that's it.